welcome to my channel and welcome to my Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix days are always wonderful days. You know what? Stitch Fix is actually the very first style box that I ever tried, and I enjoyed it so much that I started searching out other style boxes. So yeah, Stitch Fix is actually responsible for my obsession with style boxes, and I sure enjoy my Stitch Fix. I have purchased so many clothing and shoes and accessories from Stitch Fix. So I'm really glad that you showed up to see what is in my Stitch Fix today. And if you are new to my channel and just visiting for the first time, I sure hope that you will subscribe and join me for another video. Like I said, I open lots of style boxes and occasionally I do a shopping haul. So if you like those types of videos, please subscribe and join me again. And to my returning subscribers, hi everyone. It's so nice to see you again. This Stitch Fix, I have my fingers crossed that I still have my new stylist. My last two boxes have been styled by Jason. He's doing a great job. I did put in a request. My request was keep it budget friendly and keep it summer friendly. So let's look and see what 5 pieces Jason has sent for me to try today. So this is what the inside of the box looks like and everything I need to know about Stitch Fix, about my try-on period, returning. Everything I need to know is printed on the box. But if you need more information about Stitch Fix, I've left everything you need to know in the information box below, as well as my referral link. If you want to try Stitch Fix for your very first time and you use my link, you will get your styling fee waived off your first box and you will get $25 credit. In return, Stitch Fix does offer me $25 credit, and I have some credit on this box. And a great big shout out to all the ladies and gentlemen that have used my link. You guys are awesome. Thank you very much. I have some credit on this box. I'm so excited. Okay. We do have a return mailer, and I will use this mailer. Postage is free to return anything that doesn't work, but I will also use this mailer if I need to make exchanges, and exchanges are really easy and very rapid with Stitch Fix. Included in the box is an envelope with a stylist note. There are style cards that give me suggestions on how to style the pieces that they've sent, and there's an invoice as well. What is this? This is new. This is an advertisement for Dee Elly 1961. So they might be carrying Dee Elly 1961, which is a premium denim. So that's nice to know. I wonder if I have any in this box. Here is my bundle. We have some denim and something red. Ooh, that red feels very soft. Ooh, purple. Okay, looking good. Okay, first up we have a mixed material. Actually, this is not a mixed material, mixed fabric. The same fabric, like a knit fabric on both the front and back, but the patterns are different. We have these stripes on the front and the floral on the back. This is pink clover, and this has got a rounded hemline. I like this one. I like the pink clover brand a lot. It is probably one of my favorite from Stitch Fix, and I don't receive it very often. So I am excited to have this one. Nice neckline, and this is a high-low hem too. So this one looks promising. All right, and next up we have rainbow stripes. Oh, this is a chaser tee. Okay, guys, this one looks a little bit short. I like the neckline on this one, and it does have cap sleeves and they are rolled. I don't know how I feel about that either. I don't know. I like this one, and this is kind of pastel rainbow stripes, which I might be able to wear the pastel because it's on the white. And does it brighten my complexion? I don't know. Okay, I'll try this one on. It looks okay. I don't know. It's not my favorite so far. I like the first one better. Ooh, we have ruching. Oh, you guys, check this out. I call this a tube top. They call this a ruche top. But I bought a blouse like this last year. I loved it. I wore it once at home. I never wore it outside of the house. So I don't know. I think this is really great. I still have the other one. But yeah, so what is this? Let's see. This is Dee Elly Giro Smock Tie Strap Top in Navy. So one of the things I liked about the last one is the straps are pretty thick. So it was bra friendly, but it's short. It has a little ruffle on the bottom. I don't know about this one. I think this is a fun top, but I think one might be enough. Okay, moving on. Oh, we have shorts. We have Liverpool shorts. Check it out with these are pull-on. These are the Liverpool Roxy pull-on shorts in indigo, and they do have a nice long inseam. They have a cuffed bottom. They have a coin pocket, a really super shallow coin pocket in the front, fake pockets in the front, pockets in the back. I don't know. I expect these will be expensive. Let's see how they feel on. I'm not a big fan of elastic waist, but you know what? It's growing on me. I feel like elastic waist is for old ladies, but they're really comfortable, and I am old, so maybe I need to bite the bullet and get a pair. I don't know. Let's try them on and see how they work. Okay, and the last piece are crop skinnies. And oh, these are cut. These are cut from the cloth, and these are red. These are the Cassandra split hem capri skinny jean. Let's look at the, oh, teeny tiny little split on the seam. These are beautiful. Cut from the cloth, which usually works for me. And they're super stretchy in this beautiful red color. They do have classic 5 pocket styling. I like these. I like these a lot. They are crop length, so let's see where they fit me. I am so excited to try everything on, but I am going to peek. I have Jason. Okay, do you want to hear the note? Let's read it. I normally don't read these on camera, but this one says, "Hi Kelly, I see you need a casual outfit for graduation event, so I started you off with the Liverpool pull-on shorts because they have a nice 7-inch length, which will be super cute with all 3 tops. I know how much you loved your green Sophie Rue floral smock top, so I grabbed a new one by Dee Elly for you to try." That's so cool that he looked at that. "The pink Clover tank will be cute when you half tuck it into the red cut from the cloth capri skinnies. I hope I didn't go too casual, but with the temps going to be in the hundreds, as you mentioned, I wanted to be sure you weren't melting. Let me know how it all works out. If you do a YouTube video, post the link in your feedback so I can take a look. As always, have a wonderful day. Style you soon, Jason." Oh, that's so cool. And I will definitely do that. I never thought to post a link to my video in my feedback. That's such a great idea, Jason. And I really like this box. Moving on to the try on. I've tried everything on. Let's talk about it. I want to share it with you. The first thing out of the box was this pink Clover mixed top. It's not mixed. It's actually, the fabric on this one is rayon. It's 95% rayon. It has the 5% spandex that I appreciate because it makes it so much easier to wear and to wash. Guys, this one is $28, and that is the all-time record lowest price top I've ever received from Stitch Fix. I should keep it for that reason alone, but I like this one. Did you think this one was a little clingy on me? I was looking in the monitor and I felt like it was kind of sticking to the pants I was wearing, but yeah, I like this one. I'm thinking about keeping it. It feels very, very nice on me, but I also like the fun print of it, the florals in the back and the stripes in the front. So let me know what you think about this one. $28. Amazing, isn't it? The next piece I tried were the Cut From The Kloth capris. These are the crop skinny. I like these so very much because I'm always liking red. I like a red piece, but Okay, my concern on these is the length. These feel very, very comfortable. They're cut from the cloth. This is one of my favorite brands of pants to wear. They just wear so very nicely, very, very comfortable. But what do you think about the length of these on me? I think I need to add red pants to my closet. These fit so much better than my full-length red pants. But the length on crops are really tricky. If it hits at the fattest part of my legs, and my legs are pretty chubby all the way down, it can make you look heavier. So I will be so curious to hear what you think about the fit of these red crop pants, because I'm leaning towards keeping them. Anytime that I can keep a red piece, I do, because red is a cheerful, fun color to wear. These are $78. So that's not bad. I mean, it's not $89, which is the normal price of Cut From The Kloth. But even if they are a good price, they really need to look outstanding on me if I'm going to purchase them. So let me know what you think about the fit on these cut crop pants. The next piece is this chaser tee. This is called the Kavina rolled cuff top. This is $44, and I feel like, this really didn't do anything for me. I don't like the way that the cuff is rolled. It's actually secured in several different places. I felt like a little girl wearing this. As I was trying this on and looking in the monitor, I thought, you know what? If you put this on a young, slender girl, I would look at it and say, I need that t-shirt. It just doesn't make me look younger or trendy or anything like that. This one is only $44. It's chaser. So it is super duper soft, and I know it's a nice quality tee because I own chaser tees, but I don't think this really did too much for me. What do you think about this one? I'm leaning towards sending this one back, and it's just because I didn't like the way it looked on me. Next up is the tube top. I mean, that's what I call it. But this is called the Giro Smock Top, and this is by Dee Elly. It is $38. And I was kind of excited to try it on because I do have the other one that I do really like but seldom wear. And guys, I think I like the other one better. I like the print, the color on this one, but I don't like the straps. These straps are actually tie straps, and they didn't work with the bra I was wearing. So I do think that this one would have to be worn with a strapless bra, or I would just have to try on every bra in my wardrobe to see if it worked. I really don't think I need this one. Guys, look what I pulled out of the closet. This is the Sophie Rue smock top, the tank top that I bought last year, and I love this top. Now, I do think the sleeve, the strap placement on this top is a little bit better, and you don't have to fuss with tying it. I like this top, but this is a top I have never worn outside of my house. That's okay. It's a very comfortable top to wear during the summertime. But guys, what did you think about this paired with the cut crops? I kind of think that was a cute outfit, so I'm considering actually wearing that. So, okay, the last piece I want to talk about, the last piece I tried on, are the Liverpool Roxy pull-on shorts. They feel amazing. They're Liverpool. They're $78, which is to be expected because this is a nice, high-quality short. I appreciate that 7-inch inseam. That feels really nice. You know what I wish, though? And I have a hard time with this because my legs are so chubby, but I wish the legs were larger. I wish I could have a pair of shorts that just were looser in the legs. And I kept wondering if my chubby little legs aren't popping out the bottom of these. So yeah, they feel really, really comfortable. I don't know. And if I was to buy everything, and I don't want everything, but when you buy everything, it really makes these higher end pieces so much more affordable. And I've done that over and over again. Bought a 5 for $5 because I got a discount on one of the premium products in there. So let's look at the total price of this fix. Total price is $246 and the buy all discount is $61.50. So if I purchased everything, it is $184.50. I do have some credit, so that would make it a little bit more affordable. Let me do the math. If I keep the 3 pieces that I like, the pink Clover tank, the Kut From The Kloth crops, and the Liverpool shorts, that's $168 for 3 pieces. So for $20 more, I can get the 2 pieces that I'm not very crazy about. They make it so difficult. But guys, I keep ending up with these extra pieces, and I am being very, very mindful right now about not adding extra pieces to my wardrobe, because you can see it's still behind me. I am cleaning out all of my closets, and that has turned into a much bigger chore than I thought it would be. I really enjoy hearing your feedback, your comments, and your thoughts on the items that I receive in my boxes. You guys really do help me to make better decisions about what I should keep and what I should return. So please leave your feedback before I have to check out. It's so very helpful. I have another box waiting to be opened, so make sure you're subscribed and tap that bell so you don't miss anything that happens on this channel. I sure enjoy spending time with you. Get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Blessings to you.